Ford's heavy-duty workhorse has been redesigned for 2023. The Super Duty truck enters a new generation, with fresh new looks and packing a slew of powertrain, technology, and driver assist enhancements. These promise to make the F-250 better to drive and more ready to get the job done than any version before. Although towing and hauling numbers are still unknown, Ford says it worked to make them higher than ever before. This new generation of Ford pickup trucks is more aerodynamic, and new engine choices make it more powerful. Utility is expanded with rear bumper steps at each corner. There are more available amenities, including max recline front seats for quick naps. The 2023 Ford Super Duty exterior will come with a multitude of updates, including a front-end design that will have a look and feel closer to the all-new next-generation 2023 Ford Ranger. The front end will feature C-clamp headlights and a split twin-bar grille, giving it a sporty yet built Ford Tough classic look. The King Ranch model will have a unique running W front grille to set it apart from other models. Again, the goal is to evoke strength, in this case, straps holding the whole truck together horizontally. The standard V8 engine now boasts a 6.8-liter displacement, up from 6.2, and is said to have improved low-end grunt. While the larger 7.3-liter gas-fed engine sees a couple of minor enhancements, our attention is drawn by the high-output 6.7-liter power-stroke diesel, which makes 500 horsepower and 1,200 foot-pound force of torque. The power-stroke engine also features a new turbocharger along with improved exhaust manifolds and unique tuning. All engine options are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Ford hasn't yet revealed horsepower or torque figures for any of the Super Duty's engines, but the companies claim that the truck will have the most powerful engine in the class most certainly will apply to the power-stroke diesel. For the wheels, the Ford Super Duty has different wheels according to their respective trims. The trimmer package also gets dedicated 18-inch wheels with 35-inch tires for better off-road grip. There's an XL off-road package for those that want some off-roadability on a somewhat more affordable, but definitely not cheap, F250 or F350 XL. That package gets 33-inch all-terrain tires, skid plates, a raised air dam, axle vent tubes for water fording, and an electronic locking differential. The new interior design is an improvement over the 2022 model, but those in the market for the base XL trim should still prepare for a fairly Spartan cabin. More convenience and luxury features become available as you go through the various trims, though, and Ford has engineered front seats that can recline to a nearly flat position so drivers can properly rest when stopped overnight on long-haul drives. Ford hasn't released a full list of the 2023 Super Duty's interior features and options, but we'll update this story with details once we learn more. The 2023 Super Duty trucks will also be the first Ford equipped with a 5G cellular modem for connectivity. The fast connection will improve all connected services, including navigation, mapping, and music downloads. Super Duty's 5G modem from Qualcomm can provide Wi-Fi hotspot service for up to 10 devices. The Super Duty inherits additional F-150 features, including a flat floor in the second row of the crew cab and the optional pop-up lockable storage below the rear seat. The fold-out work surface is in front, although the folding shifter is gone because the big trucks use a column shifter. The max recline seats from the F-150 are also available for drivers who like to take a lunchtime nap. The base XL trim comes with an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, while more expensive models get a larger 12.0-inch display. A reconfigurable 12.0-inch digital instrument cluster is also available. All models come with a Bang & Olufsen tuned stereo system. A 640-watt, 8-speaker setup is standard, a 1080-watt, 18-speaker one is optional. The two-row cabs were developed specifically for the F-250 and higher models. With 2 rows, the layout provides seating for 6. Shoppers can choose front bucket seats with a padded center console. Super cabs have ample space, especially on the front row. However, there isn't as much rear legroom or rear cargo space as there is in crew cabs. Definitely the most spacious, crew cab's second row legroom is 43.6 inches and rear headroom is 40.4 inches. Passengers will feel like they are on the front row. Comforts include an armrest and additional cup holders. Rear cargo space is 52.1 cubic feet. The seats fold to create a rear flat floor. Among its many storage nooks, there's a hidden second row compartment. Large beds can handle more cargo. That's the strategy behind the 2 sizes available on the F-250, F-350, and F-450. With the 3-person cab, there is an 8-foot bed. It is 98.1 inches long with minimum width of 50.5 inches and maximum width of 66.9 inches. Total space measures 78.5 cubic feet. A Ford F-450 4x2 can handle 6,210 pounds. The Ford F-350 double rear wheel models can handle 7,200 pounds of cargo.